So we need to verify an inverse matrix, and we have a matrix A and a matrix B. So we're going to multiply them both together. So we have what's called an identity matrix, and this is our matrix I. So if we multiply A times B, this will also equal B times A, and it'll also equal I if they're inverse. So let's multiply and see. So minus 3, 2, minus 2 and 1 multiplied by 1, minus 2, 2 and minus 3. So minus 3 times 1. So minus 3 multiplied by 1, and then 2 times 2, so it's plus 4. We can write this here. So minus 3 plus 1, this is 1. And then we've got minus 3 times minus 2, so that's 6. And 2 times minus 3 is minus 6. So we've got 6 minus 6. And this is going to be, actually let's write it by here. So this is going to be 0. And then minus 2 times 1 is minus 2. And 1 times 2 is 2, plus 2. So this is going to be 0. And then we have minus 2 times minus 2 is minus 4, is going to be 4. And 1 times minus 3 is minus 3. 4 minus 3 is 1. So this is the identity. So now we're going to multiply B times A. So B times A. So 1 minus 2, 2 minus 3. And minus 3, 2, minus 2, 1. So minus 1 times minus 3, so this is minus 3, and minus 2 times minus 2 is plus 4. So minus 3 plus 4 is going to be 1. And then we have 1 times 2 is 2. And minus 2 times 1 is minus 2. So this will be 0. 2 times minus 3 is minus 6. So minus 6 plus minus 3 times minus 2 is plus 6. So minus 6 plus 6 is 0. And 2 times 2 is 4. And minus 3 times 1 is minus 3. So 4 minus 3 is 1. So yes. So they both, we multiply them, give us the same answer. So we can say yes, A and B are inverses. And we can write this as B is inverse of A, and A is inverse of B. Okay, and if we wanted to check this on the calculator, so we can set up these matrices. So we go to menu, we choose this option here, which is number 4. So this gives us the option to define a matrix. So number 1, so we have a 2 by 2, so 2 rows, 2 columns. And I'm going to put in minus 3 equals 2 equals minus 2 equals 1 equals. And then I'm going to go to my option and I'm going to define another one. So define, and this time I'm going to do number 2 for B. So number of rows and columns, 2, 2 rows, 2 columns. So 1 minus 2, 2 and minus 3. So I've set up my matrix, and now I'm going to do my calculation, which is number 3. So option again. So this time I'm going to do 3 multiplied, so that's A times B. So option, a matrix B is 4. So I'm going to do A times B, which is 3 times 4, equals. So you can have a look at our solution. So we have 1, 0, 0, 1, which confirms that this is, so this is an inverse of this and vice versa. So guided practice question. So A is minus 4, 3, 3 minus 2, and B is 2, 3, 3, 4. And we need to determine if they're actually inverses. So we're looking to see if AB is equal to BA. So let's multiply. So AB, so this is going to be minus 4, 3, 3 minus 2, multiplied by 2, 3, 3, 4. So minus 4 times 2, so that's minus 8. 3 times 3 is 9, so plus 9. And 4 times 3, so that's minus 12. And 3 times 4 is plus 12. 3 times 2 is 6. And minus 2 times 3 is plus minus 6. Then 3 times 3 is 9. And minus 2 times 4 is 8. So that's going to be minus 8. So this is minus 8, so this is going to be 1, 0, 0, 1. So now we need to look at B times A. So minus, just write out the matrices. So 2 times minus 4 minus 8. 3 times 3 is plus 9. So that is going to be 1. So 2 times 3 is 6. And 3 times there is minus 6. So that's going to be 0. 3 times minus 4 is minus 12. And 4 times 3 is 12. So it's plus 12. So that will be 0. And 3 times 3 is 9. And 4 times minus 2 is minus 8. That's 1. So they are inverses.